guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kurtashing Adventures, and for today's video, isasama namin kayo sa aming biyahe from Hanoi going to Sapa, Vietnam via sleeper train. Upon arrival to Noi Bai Airport, in order for us to get the local currency, we decided to withdraw money sa nearest Agribank, which is located just outside the arrival hall using our GoTime card. The maximum amount that you can withdraw is 3 million dong. O diba, instant millionaire ka na. And ang nabawas lang sa GoTime card namin is equivalent to 6,877.52 pesos kasama na ang bank fees. Hi guys! Touchdown Hanoi! So, we just arrived here sa Hanoi. So, since nag-Cathay Pacific kami, may layover kami kanina sa Hong Kong Airport for 3 hours. And we just arrived here at Hanoi ng mga 6:30 in the evening. Pero they are behind ng 1 hour from Manila. So, it's already 7:30 sa Manila when we arrive here. So, from here, we will take a Grab going to the train station. Tapos mag-sleeper train kami going to Sapa. Ayun, so see you later!
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hi guys! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Mango Hotel dito sa Hanoi. So, we traveled kanina via Grab. Ang pinayadan lang namin is 289,000 dong doon sa nabook namin na Grab. And then, nag-travel kami ng about 1 hour going here sa Mango Hotel. Dito sa Mango Hotel kayo mag-check-in ng train na binook namin through Klook. So, yung binook namin na sleeper train through Klook is called Laman Express. So, pag yun yung binook nyo, dito kayo sa Mango Hotel mag-check-in. And now, we are waiting para dun sa staff na mag-a-assist sa amin. Kasi 9 o'clock pa daw dadating yung staff ng Laman Express. And this hotel kasi is very close to Hanoi Station. Actually, meron silang daan dito sa likod that is already connected to Hanoi Station. So, dito na kami dadaan later pagkadating ng staff. So, while waiting, kasi alas 8 lang kami dumating dito, we already explored the area nearby. May Highlands Coffee dito, but we didn't try the food there kasi parang konti lang yung choices. We opt to eat dun sa mga mini store. Nag-try kami ng banh mi, spring rolls, tsaka yung fried rice nila. So far, okay naman siya. And also, we tried our very first egg coffee dito sa Hanoi. So, masarap siya yung coffee nila. Very smooth yung pagkakamix ng egg. And also, we also had the fried rice tsaka yung spring roll. Masarap din lahat ng na-order namin. And we only paid for about 600 pesos kung i-convert mo siya sa peso. And also, yung Grab namin, around 600 pesos lang siya. Kasi 289,000 dong yung pamasahe. So, mura lang dito sa Vietnam, guys. So, yun muna guys. Mamaya, once we already checked in doon sa cabin namin sa train, we'll give you a quick room tour. So, yun muna. See you later! So guys, ayan, pupunta na kami ngayon sa train namin. So dito sa likod ng Mango Hotel. dito kami dadaan. Kasi connected na siya sa train station. Ayan o. So, ayan yung mga train, guys. Ay, hindi ko lang sure kung yan yung train namin. Pero siya yan. Train, ganyan yun. Ayan. So, yung staff, yung naka-yellow. May dala siyang flag. Kasulat Laman Express. Siya, guys. Pasok na kami. Ito yung train namin. Hi guys, nandito na kami. Naka-check-in na kami dito sa aming cabin dito sa Laman Express. So, ito yung tsura niya, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. So, pagpasok mo ng room, ayan siya. So, meron siyang dalawang bed. Tatag-isa kami ng asawa ko. Actually, pwede siyang 4. Pero, nirent namin yung buong cabin para wala kami kasama. So, ayan. Meron siya. Bunk beds kasi siya eh. So, pwedeng 4. Kung kasama namin yung mga kids, pwede kaming 4 dito. Tapos, air condition yung room. And then, ito, meron mga freebies or parang mini bar dito sa room namin. So, they have free water. Tapos, meron din ditong Hanoi beer. Ay, sumabit. Ayan. May beer. Hanoi beer. Nakasama. Tapos, they have banana. Ayan, 2 banana. Tapos, may tissue with the Laman Express logo. Tapos, itong cheese flavor na parang ano ba to? Parang hi-ho na cheese flavor. Hindi ko alam. Basta snacks. Yan yung free dito sa room namin. Ayan. So, okay naman siya para matulugan. Maluwag naman para sa 2 tao. I think kapag 4 kayo dito, medyo masikip na siya pag 4, no? Pero, kung nandun lang naman sila sa bed, okay lang din. Pero kapag kaming 4 na kasama yung kids namin, medyo masikip na dito. Ayan, tingnan naman natin yung CR. Puntahan natin. Ito yung pinasukan namin kanina. So, hanapin natin yung CR. Ayan, dyan kami galing kanina. Yan yung labas. So, ito yung sink. Ayan, so pwede kayo dito mag-freshen up. Ayan, may sink sila. Tapos, may mirror. And then, may tissue na din provided. Then, over here, yung toilet. Ayan, may bidet naman yung toilet. And may sink din dyan. Ayan. Good morning, guys! We just arrived here at Lao Cai Station. So, bumaba na kami ng train. Ito yung train na sinakyan namin. So, yan. Medyo stiff yung step going down. So, medyo mahirap bumaba. Pero may nag-a-assess naman. Kukuha ng bag mo. And then, tutulungan kang bumaba. Ayan. Dito yung room namin. Dito lang yung room namin. Ito ata. This one.
Ano, this one.
Ano, this one pala. This one. Ayan yung room namin. So, yun. So, from here, we're going outside kasi meron naman kaming private transfer going na doon sa hotel namin sa city center ng Sapa. So, punta na kami sa labas. Yun muna guys, we'll update you later pag nakarating na kami sa Sapa. So, this is the outside. Pag nag-exit na kayo ng station, makikita nyo may mga bus tickets dito from Laucay going to Sapa. So, if hindi kayo nakapag-book ng ticket nyo going to Sapa, pwede kayo ditong kumuha ng ticket. But for us, nakapag-book na kasi kami sa Klook. So, we'll just find our driver. Nag-message na din siya kahapon sa WhatsApp. So, we'll just find him dito sa labas. Hey guys, nakasakay na kami ngayon sa coaster. This is from Laucay going to Sapa, doon na sa hotel namin sa city center ng Sapa. So we booked this private transfer from Laucay going to Sapa through Klook. And if you are also going to Vietnam, you can also use my code KLOOKHEKEL for 5% discount on your Klook itineraries, travel necessities, and kahit ano pang i-book niyo sa Klook. So, ayan muna guys. We'll update you once we get to Sapa. Bye! And that sums up our travel experience from Hanoi going to Sapa, Vietnam. If you also want to try this kind of experience, we are sharing the link of the sleeper train and the private transfer in the description box below. For additional 5% discount, you can use my code KLOOKHEKEL in any activities that you'll be booking through Klook. I hope this video is helpful for your next travel to Sapa, Vietnam. Don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe to our channel, and follow us in social media accounts, Kurt Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till next time, goodbye!